So, today we are going to talk about what is your experience in Erasmus Plus. So, Darius,
Yes,
is this your first Erasmus Plus project?
yes, this is my first, and I enjoying every time here.
Mm.
Um, the reality was bigger than my expectations. Here I met very cool people, nice personalities, and I'm glad to be part of this project because I think this is the thing that all we have to do to meet new people, to make friends, to improve ourselves, speaking in public, speaking with other countries. So yes, I enjoyed every moment, and I really love you all, guys.
Thank you,
Yeah.
thank you.
Martin, your
For
opinion?
me, this is like my first Erasmus as well. I really enjoy my time here. I was not expecting to be like that welcoming as a first Erasmus. I like the mentors. They have like good chemistry and they can teach us a lot. And I'm looking forward for more Erasmus projects. How about you? This is your second one, right?
Yeah, this is my second one. I have been to one youth exchange in Slovenia.
Did you like it there?
Yeah, I liked it, but like here on training course, I have never been to training course.
Oh, really?
But yeah, but it's more difficult and harder.
You,
But
you found the like the subjects here more challenging than the ones
yes,
before?
yes, yes, yes.
Oh,